Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tiff. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. We're gonna hop right into this video. I'm not even going to ramble. Y'all know I like to talk. But today we are going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is the palette that I have. I got this literally the same day it went on sale on Anastasia's website. I think it was the 26th. And I'm just now getting a chance to open it and use it. But these are the colors. These are the colors. So I wanted to do something a little bit different. I didn't want to do anything neutral, which is why I specifically bought this palette. But I'm going to go ahead and get into this eye look for you guys right now. So let's go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm taking some concealer. This is the ColourPop concealer. This is in the shade Dark 42. I'm just taking a beauty blender and blending that out. This is not damp. So, hey, who cares? But I'm just taking a beauty blender to go ahead and conceal my eye, create a good base. And I'm just taking some Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just using that. The first color we're going in with is this dark purple right here. I'm going to take this color and just go around the crease of my eyelid. And I'm using my MAC. Is this my MAC? Yeah. I'm using my MAC 224 brush. Ooh. You see, I'm bringing it all the way out and then into the inner, because you see we're kind of doing like a halo look. Halo looks are for us girls who are not that good at cut creases, but we can do a halo. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that purple and just bring it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I'm taking this like hot pink look right here, and I'm going to take that and go right over where I just laid down this purple. And it's definitely a hot pink, but you need something bright to kind of blend out the outside. And I just kind of wanted to play with some colors, y'all. Then I'm gonna go back in with that same foundation, with the same shadow brush, just to kind of blend them together. And I'm taking an Anastasia eyeshadow brush that came in one of my palettes. And I'm going to just kind of trace it into like the crease part of my eye. Just because I want to make sure I have that depth right there. I'm going to do like a pat and then blend it. And basically like where your eye socket is, just press in there. This is such a quick look, guys. Like, I think I'm probably gonna use like 4 or 5 shadows. Now we're going to go in with this pretty pink color right here. It's like a metallic pink. And I'm just gonna take a flat, ooh, child. Hold on, let me pick that up. I'm going in with a MAC brush, and I'm just going to apply this to the middle of my eyelid. You guys can apply this wet or dry. You can use your finger or your brush. I'm just using a brush because it's just more convenient than using my finger and having to clean it up. And I am overlapping where I have the darker purple, because I'm going to go ahead and blend that in as well. Going back in with my MAC brush, I'm going to just take just a little bit of that dark purple, just so that we can blend the out part of the pink shadow. That's it, y'all. That's it. Back in with that Anastasia brush, just to again drag it. So I'm not doing any eyeliner with this look today. I don't feel like it. And the lashes that I'm putting on, I'm not gonna let you guys know what lashes these are right now, because you know I'm working on my lash line. Just kidding. I just feel like everybody always has on these special lashes and they don't ever want to share because they're like, I'm working on my lash line, I'm working on something, I got something cooking in the kitchen. I don't. So I'm taking these lashes. I believe these are House of Lashes. I don't know which ones they are off the top of my head, but I will try to have that listed below. And I'm just using some Revlon lash glue, which I forgot how much I love this glue, and I had to order it on Amazon because I cannot find it in the store anymore. But I love this glue because one, you literally need no dry time for it. Two, I love the applicator, the little wand to put it on, and three, it's just a better lash glue. Like, it really is. I love it. Oh, and the lashes I'm using are House of Lashes Feather. And once we have the lash on, I'm gonna go in with this. I don't think this is like a peachy orange shadow. So I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear duct. I'm just using a pencil brush. And that's that, guys. That's that. All right, so we're gonna jump into the face. I'm using my Ebates Hydro Matte Moisturizer. And then this has kind of been like my new go-to. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Fenty Hydro. What the hell is this again? Yeah, the Hydro, the hydrating. I don't know why I keep wanting to call this Hydro. The hydrate. I'm gonna take the Fenty Hydrating Primer. And I'm just putting it in this area. Whatever left over goes on my forehead. And then I'm going to be using the Fenty Hydrating Foundation. I'm in the shade 430. If you guys have not seen my review on this, go check it out. That was my most recent video, or one of my most recent videos. But yeah, I'm really loving this foundation. I'm just going to stipple that on. So I've kind of really been into like not having a super dramatic highlight. I'm kind of over that. Not that I was ever into it, but anyway, I'm using the NARS Dark. This is the Amande shade as the concealer under my eye, and this is just a little mini one. I have like a travel one. I'm gonna do my nose today. I don't never do my nose. I'm gonna do my nose today. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. And I'm just gonna tap like outside. You can see that Mocha is definitely a lot lighter than the Amande. I just like Amande because it kind of gives me more of a natural highlight and it's not super stark. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna let it sit for like, you know, 2 minutes or so. In the meantime, in between time, we're gonna put on our favorite mascara, Too Faced Born This Way, baby. Cause I was born this way, baby. I already got some over here, but why not? I am gonna bring out the Fenty Espresso contour stick. I'm gonna take this contour brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to go in and buff in my contour. And y'all see how it's like, oh my God, it's like butter, baby. It's like butter. When you let your concealer sit, and yes, if we all watch Auntie Jackie, she's been saying this for over a year. I just never really have had the time, but you make time for the things you want. So when you let it sit, it blends out so flawlessly, so easy. And then this new little concoction that I've done with the NARS Amande and the Too Faced Mocha, like, to me, this is for me. This is the perfect, and I mean perfect highlight. The best highlight I have ever done, the best combo I've ever done. And look at that. Look at that side of my face. It's just like, it's beautiful. It's flawless. It's like, okay, let me stop. Really loving my face right now. And you can, I think I am gonna do like a little bit underneath the contour just to make it look more even. And I'm going back in with the Amande, which is not a super dark highlight. I'm gonna take the Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm gonna press that in. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is in the shade Deep Dark. I'm using my Morphe E58 brush. I'm just going to go around, especially that forehead, because I'm not highlighting my forehead today. For contour, I'm going in with Lord, my Black Radiant True Complexion Contour Kit. This is in the shade Medium Dark, and I'm actually gonna go in between the contour and the sculpt color together, and I'm gonna set that contour. You'll see that when I do contour, I don't just do swipe up and down. I do circular, but I don't want it to be like a straight line. And then I take whatever is left on the brush. We're not dipping back in there. And we're gonna do the nose. So while that's sitting, y'all, we're gonna go in with the Master Chrome highlighter. And it is in this moment when I'm staring at the camera that I'm realizing that my camera is about to shut off. Alright guys, so my camera literally died. The battery didn't die, it just said that it had overheated or something. So anyway, it cut out right when I was getting ready to just finish out my eyes. All I did was take the same colors I used on the top part of my eyelid and smoked out the bottom. I have on the Pink Print Viva Glam. Man, I have on a Pink Print from Nicki Minaj lipstick, and I just line my lips with cork. And that's it. That is this look. Like, I love this look right now, guys. I love this look right now. So I'm really feeling this look. The Norvina palette is definitely a palette you need to have if you do not already have it. And you guys know, if you've been following me and subscribed, like, I love my neutrals, but I had to get this. Like, I had to get it because of the colors. Like, I love purples, pinks, and blue. Y'all know I'm all about the blue. So I had to get that palette, and it was definitely well worth it. And it's a red shadow in here. Your girl is gonna have to try that one day. I've never worn red shadow, but I think I will try. So if you guys like this look, please go ahead and like and subscribe and put that down in the comment section below. Let me know what other looks you want to see me do with this palette. If you want to see me use that red as my next color, my next experiment, then go ahead and put that in the comment section below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.